Look at the sunset. Currently,
yo, you
September.
heard that title though. Y'all heard that title. Oh, no, really just okay.
This is kind of like all the stuff we got. Who cooks dinner tomorrow or who cleans the dishes? Which one?
Okay, yeah, she's too boring. We're going back to me.
Or having a bet to see how much it is. I think it's gonna be like close to 300 and he said like 150. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah. If you are new here, if not, welcome back. This is Christian, my boyfriend.
Don't play with me, man.
Currently,
yo, you heard that title though. Y'all heard that title though. Don't play
it's
with
September 12th, and we're finally going shopping for our apartment. We moved in.
Savannah, how am I gonna get out the gate?
I gave you the sticker.
I didn't put it on though. We didn't bring it out here.
Well, it looks like you're gonna have to go get it because my keys are still in there too, so regardless you're gonna have to go out. Okay, so anyways, we have to go back upstairs because he forgot to put on his like parking tag, so we're gonna have to go get that. But yeah, it's the 12th, like I said. We moved in on the 10th, but we didn't spend the night until like last night, so last night was our first night. I really wanted to vlog it, but like I completely forgot. Julia came over, we ordered like pizza, and we were just hanging out. I showed her around the complex and stuff, so like we were just prioritized, I guess. Today we woke up and we went and moved like all the rest of the stuff out of his house. And then we came back here, we unloaded it. We also, ooh. What?
Hey, let me see my phone. What's that? Get some wine? Oh.
What was I saying? We came back here, we unpacked, we went by my house and we got some breakfast. My mom like literally made us like little meals to go because we don't have any groceries or anything, so she like made us breakfast and we just went and picked it up because we were on our way back from his house, and like my house is in the middle of his house and our apartment, so we just went and stopped by there. I said hey to my like family, my nephew and all of that, and I got to see them for a little bit, and then we came back here, we unpacked whatever we got from his house. That was just like the last bit of the stuff that he had at his house, and then yeah, we came back, we ate, we chilled for a little bit, then me and him, we unpacked everything that we could, and we also went to the pool, but it was just like really cold and it wasn't like sunny outside anymore just because of the way the building is, so the pool was just like freezing, so we didn't stay there for that long. But we made a grocery list and we're about to go buy our groceries, so I thought I would like vlog. This is our first like apartment vlog. Very exciting. It's 5:50 right now, so we're about to go head to Walmart whenever he comes back. We also need to get like organization stuff for like the bathroom and like under the sinks and stuff, and just like for the drawers, but I don't know if we're gonna get that today or what. I just kind of wanted to get at least some stuff so I could finally like take all my like bathroom stuff out of the boxes, just because they're literally just like in boxes right now, and so I just like kind of use as I go. I have like all of our grocery list. I'm trying to, tonight for dinner, I think I'm gonna make like chicken, smashed potatoes, and corn, or I might make pasta. Not really sure just yet, but we're gonna figure it out.
Alright, okay, I got the hang of this.
Okay.
We at Walmart now. She pushing a basket because I'm vlogging, and this is what we got so far.
Is there anything we need on this one?
We got some like lemonades, chips, drinks, and we get some stuff to make some food. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of suck at holding the camera because it was like on my shirt.
Make sure you're looking at yourself. Do you have this type of stuff for your lunches? Like some goldfish or whatnot?
No, I don't eat goldfish. You think I'm 3?
Some crackers, dips and goes.
Nah, I ain't feeling it. I'm feeling like some. Nah, really, I'm good. I don't really need any of that.
Oh, this cart is heavy. I kind of want you to do it.
Here she goes. Now I gotta push the cart and record. Golly.
This is the candy aisle. Okay, so we have like a list and stuff, but we don't have like, we don't really know exactly what all we need. So we have the list, but we're also going down every aisle just to kind of like see. Ooh, you like fruit cups and stuff. You want some fruit cups?
Nah, we got all the real fruit.
Yeah, but like,
your phone. Your phone.
You don't want like mandarin oranges or pineapples or anything? You don't like these? But you're not gonna have no lunch.
It's currently 6:25. We still at Walmart, bro. Looking at seasonings and stuff right now. Really, she's shopping because I'm just tired. Well, I'm not tired, but oh no, I'm really just tired. Okay. But here she is though. Okay, yeah, she's too boring. We're going back to me. Cause I was talking to y'all. She ain't even talking to y'all. We're at Walmart. What else? Picked up a few more stuff. Okay. We'll update y'all when we checking out. What time is it? 7:13. We still in Walmart, but we finally done. We got a basket full.
A big basket. Oh wait, babe, don't do it crooked.
All right.
We are having a bet to see how much it is. I think it's gonna be like close to 300, and he said like 150.
I said no. I said 150 to 200 in that range. And what'd you say?
Like close to 300. I'm thinking like upper 200s. So like.
So 250 to 300.
Yeah, in that range.
Okay, we're gonna see.
That's what we're doing, and then we'll give you guys. Ooh, we'll give you guys a grocery haul when we get back to the apartment.
Sheesh.
Are you gonna give a haul with me?
Sheesh.
We forgot our wagon. We'll have to go get it.
I'm gonna drop you off by the door so you can just go up and meet me in the garage.
So I gotta walk all the way to the garage with the wagon. Why can't I just go get the wagon and bring it down and then we drive to the garage?
Bro, stop being lazy. You can walk from the apartment to the thing.
Ooh, that's what we need, some pooperoo, because you're
peace.
Oh my god, look at the sunset. It looks so pretty. Okay, so we're leaving Walmart. This is kind of like all the stuff we got. We ended up spending like closer to what he said, so we spent like 180. We're gonna do a haul whenever we get back. But his mom's at the apartment until the 15th, so can we do like, where are we gonna do like haul?
Living room.
But she's gonna be in there, and I'm makes me nervous. Okay, so period. Now we're gonna head back to the apartment. We gotta do a quick little haul of what we got, and then, do you just wanna take her on the tour? Like you and her, and then I'll cook dinner? Because I don't wanna cook dinner super late, and it's already 7. Like, I can have it ready probably by the time y'all come back. We'll figure it out. I'll vlog. Oh, I could vlog myself cooking dinner. Okay, well, we're headed back to the apartment. We'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, so I'm back at the apartment now, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little haul of everything that we got, like kind of as I'm putting it away and stuff. Okay, so first we got some coffee and some coffee creamer. I just got the like blonde roast and the white mocha. Then we also got a big thing of milk, and we also got some heavy whipping cream for some pasta that I'm gonna be making. We got some just original butter and some chive and onion cream cheese for Christian. I got like normal cream cheese. Then we got 2 little things of onions just because they didn't have like singles of like just like the regular onions. They only had like red onions, so we just got those. Freezer-wise stuff, we got some buttermilk Eggo waffles. He got a bunch of these like little breakfast bowls for when he goes to work and stuff. Then he got like 4 of these little microwave meals for, of course, like work and stuff. Jarred stuff, we got some traditional pasta stuff for the pasta. He got this jalapeno queso. Broke some stuff. He got jalapeno queso, and I just got some regular like salsa. And then I got some of these hint of lime chips to go with that. We also got some regular olive oil. We got this cheese. We got regular cheese. I don't know why he got 2 of these. We got 2 packs of regular cheese, some Fiesta blend, and also some mozzarella for my pasta. Canned stuff, we just got green beans and corn. I just got some regular jasmine rice. I got 3 lemons. We got these little potatoes, which is what I'm gonna be cooking for dinner tonight. We got some bananas. Next I got some pepperoni. We also got some cracked, oh, someone's calling me, pepper turkey. We got some bow tie pasta noodles, and we got a couple of these like little hamburger helpers. We got stroganoff and deluxe Philly cheesesteak. We got 2 things of Mexican rice. Apparently I only thought we got 1. He got 2 mandarin oranges things for work. We also got some syrup for our waffles. And then he got these jalapeno and cheese sausage links. We got these soft taco bowls for when we have tacos. We also got chicken. This is what we're cooking tonight. And then let me bring it over here. We got some broccoli, and then I got some frozen mango, and then a strawberry banana blend. So for seasonings, we got some minced garlic. We got some grated Parmesan cheese. We got some salt and pepper. We're getting like salt and pepper things, so we got those for that. We got this Creole seasoning. We got garlic salt, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and crushed red pepper. I said that so weird. Crushed red pepper. Then we got hamburger buns and hot dog buns. And then lastly, we got this stuff. So he got some lemonades, and then I got some shavers, shaving cream, Dove soap, Listerine, and some toothpaste. So that's everything that we got. I'm gonna real quickly finish putting everything up, and then I'm gonna start on dinner. I have the oven preheating to 400 degrees, and we're gonna do chicken, potatoes, and corn.
Having mental breaks along with breakdowns ever since that day that you went and told And when I look around me, everything is all the same. I won't never let this go.
Okay, so I just put, oh crap, I forgot to put onions on his thing. Okay, so I just put the chicken in the oven. I'm about to put some onions on it because that's what he wanted. And then I'm cooking the potatoes right now just to kind of like boil them so then I can smash them and put them onto this pan. And then I also need to do the corn, but my camera was dying, so I had to like do that. But yeah, that's kind of like an update. We're cooking it up. I cooked dinner, but I didn't like really like film it very well because I was under pressure because I was cooking for him and his mom, and like it was just a lot of anxiety for me. So I was trying to make it good, so I just didn't really get a lot of footage of that. But it's like 9:58 right now. We're just chilling outside. Oh, rate my food, rate my food, rate my food. Tell them how it was.
It was an 8.5.
Well, yeah, but like describe how it tasted. Was it good? All of the above.
It was seasoning, everything was good. Potatoes was good. It was a little on the crisp. Is that somebody's shoe right there? Just sitting in the hallway? Put the camera in there.
Yeah, it is.
It is a shoe?
Yeah.
No, I ain't tripping. What was I saying though?
The seasoning, the potatoes crunchy.
Oh yeah.
They were supposed to be crispy.
Yeah, well, it would have been better if they was like buttery soft. Like you would put some butter sauce on there and it was like soft. Chicken was good.
Ooh, honestly, we could go play some ping pong.
That was it.
You try to go a couple rounds in ping pong.
Who bet?
Who cooks dinner tomorrow? Or who
Bet.
does?
Oh God, bet. No, bet that. Bet that.
Who cooks dinner tomorrow,
Yeah.
or who cleans the dishes? Which one? Cause I already cleaned the dishes, but I just have like what's left from dinner.
Let's just do both.
Okay, so play 2 rounds.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have a warm-up round and then we'll play 2 rounds.
All right, bet. Oh God, bet.
Okay. Wait, I need to change my shoes. I think I'm gonna wear my Crocs. Yeah, no, I think tomorrow, so tomorrow him and his mom are gonna go back up to the house because we didn't get to finish like everything. So they're gonna go back up to the house and then I'm gonna stay here. I have to go pick up more groceries that my mom's ordering. She's ordering us like condiments and stuff. So like ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, that type of stuff, peanut butter, jelly, all of that. And then I have to go pick that up, and then also I'm probably gonna like unpack and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. But we're about to go play some ping pong. An outro again. I'm sorry guys, I don't know why like I keep forgetting like these videos have like no outros, but I do apologize for that. Sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Got to see like a little glimpse of like everything. We had fun grocery shopping. It's been fun. Like so far since living here, I'll give you guys a little update. It has been like really good. We haven't noticed anything bad. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, follow all my other social medias. I post more up-to-date content on there, so more frequently, more like actually like daily content. So like I'm posting on there like every day. So if you want to see me more up to date, then go follow me on my other social medias. But I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.